The Antikythera mechanism. The mystery. The Antikythera mechanism is an ancient, intricate machine found in a shipwreck near Greece that dates back to about 100 BC. The Antikythera mechanism contains gears and structures that were not found in devices again for 1,000 years, and only then when the Muslims and Chinese were busy inventing shit, while the Europeans were busy killing each other. Why can't they solve it? First, no one can agree on where the Antikythera mechanism was made or who designed it. Popular belief was that it was made by the Greeks due to its instructions all being in Greek. About $1 million of our tax dollars were probably spent arriving at that genius conclusion, but serious research published in serious places suggested the design came from Sicily. The mechanism, aside from placing you at serious risk for severing a finger, was supposedly used to figure out astronomical positions. The problem with that is that at the time this thing was made, no one had yet discovered laws of gravity or how heavenly bodies moved. In other words, the Antikythera mechanism appears to have functions that no one alive at that time would have understood, and no single mechanical purpose of that era, such as navigating ships, explains the crazy number of functions and settings this machine has. The Baigong pipes. The mystery. In an area of China not known to ever contain people, let alone industry, there are 3 mysterious triangular openings on top of a mountain containing hundreds of ancient rusty iron pipes of unknown origin. Some of the pipes go deep into the mountain. Some of them go into a nearby saltwater lake. There are more pipes in the lake, and more still running east-west along the lake shore. Some of the larger pipes are 40 centimeters in diameter, are of uniform size, and are placed in what seems like purposeful patterns. So what's the big deal? Well, archaeologists have dated the pipes to a time when people were still trying to figure out how to cook meat without setting their back hair on fire, let alone casting iron. Why can't they solve it? Oddly, the pipes are clean of debris despite being older than Zeus. This suggests that they were not simply shoved into the ground for the hell of it, but actually used for something. Oh, and did we mention the mountain is completely inhospitable to human life? As usual, a faction of nutjobs believes the Baigong pipes to be an ancient astronomy lab or even spacecraft launching site left by extraterrestrials. This is possible since the pipes contain a proportion of silica close to what occurs on Mars. Of course, the manhole cover outside your house does also, so take that with a grain of salt. Some say they are a hoax,